Need a video's thumbnail for inspiration or analysis? In under a minute, I'll show you the quickest way to grab any YouTube thumbnail. Totally free on any device. Let's jump in. Open the YouTube video whose thumbnail you want. Copy the video link by right-clicking the video and selecting Copy Link Address. Or, click the three-dot menu, hit Share, and copy the video link. Open a new browser tab and search for YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. Go to the website. Paste the video URL into the input box. Pick the resolution you like. Click Download to save the thumbnail to your device. Right-click it and choose Save As. Save it wherever you want. If you download thumbnails often, here's a faster way. Search for Chrome Web Store. Open it. In the search bar, type YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. Add the extension to your browser. Right-click any video and select Download Thumbnail. Or you can use the vidIQ extension. Right-click the thumbnail and select Save Image As.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.